finish taking photos. Let's go.
Bye, baby bus.
Hi, Mew Mew. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
Mew Mew is on the bus.
The bus is a little dirty. Please help me wash and clean it up. Welcome to the car wash. Let's clean the car. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert.
Let's go, baby bus.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Hank. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
All our friends are on the bus. We have arrived at the hospital. Let's get a regular checkup.
Let's go get a health checkup.
Eyesight test. Move the magnifying glass to look for patterns. Correct. We found the pattern. Correct. We found the pattern. Baby, measuring weight and height. Lulu's weight, 21 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Listen, what's that sound?
Puppy. Rooster.
ECG measurement. Sort them by color. Yes, this is the right place. Click the switch, which is the same color as the body. Yes, you're right. The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal.
Thank you. We're done with our health checkup. Let's go to